everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are encountering the error performing request unknown error on your iPhone or iPad, then today we are here with some steps you can take to try and resolve this issue. So firstly, ensure that your device is connected to a stable and active internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. After that, try restarting your device. Sometimes simple restarting your iPhone or iPad can resolve temporary glitches and errors. Press and hold the power button until you see the slider, then slide it to power off. After a few seconds, press the power button again to turn back it on. After that, update your iOS. In order to do that, simply go to the settings on your iPhone, then tap on the General. Inside General, tap on the Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Make sure that your device is running the latest version of iOS because updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve such issues. If none of these steps work, then you can try resetting all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all settings like Wi-Fi password, wallpaper, etc. So in order to do that, go to settings, tap on the general, scroll down, tap on the transfer reset iPhone, tap on the reset and tap on reset all settings or reset network settings. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.